it's Clinton again with All Things Paint. Welcome back here. We're working on the Nerf Hammershot today. We're doing the second part of the painting, which we're finishing up the last big parts of the body, almost bigger parts I should say. We're going to be doing these little bit here, just this right here in this gray. We're going to be filling in, and we're also going to go ahead and do our cylinder as well. And go ahead and get that in a nice copper color, and then that way I'll be able to go in and patina it here in just a bit. So with that, everything looks to be set up and ready. Let me get the camera rearranged here and we'll be good to go. Okay, and we are back. So again, we're painting up here this little brownish orange, blackish orange really, and then this gray part here is also going to cover it. And it doesn't bother me that I got some gold and stuff from the last time, showing up, because I'm actually weathering that in, so it's not going to hurt anything in my opinion. Also, the other piece we totally forgot to mention is we're also going to be painting the side pieces up here for the railing, so that way we can have that look all nice and everything, and yeah, go from there. So let me set those aside. Now the colors that we're going with is a little interesting, but I think it's going to work quite well, and that is that we are going with a black metallic. We're going to use a little bit of that. We've got some gunmetal gray. We've got a little bit of flat olive, which is an interesting choice. I just want something to give it a little bit more color, and just a dash of flat steel. And I think I am going to throw in just like a hint of metallic gold to really just see if I can bring anything out. And that's, again, just to see if the color is going to come out nice like I want it to. And, yeah, maybe we can play around with different colors and go from there. So let me get my little popsicle stick. I'm going to mix my paints real fast. I know, this is the fun part. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Okay, there we go. Alright, so what I want to start off with is my gunmetal gray here. Should be a good starter amount. And then just a dash of this black metallic. Hold off on the metallic gold for 10 seconds. Put here this flat steel. There we go. And a really good amount of that flat olive. And again, just like a dab. Try that out and see what we get. Might just all blend into black. We don't know. Actually, ooh. Oh. Now I like that. That's good. Oh yeah, that's like a perfect color. That's exactly what I was looking for. Oh yeah. Oh yes. That is gorgeous. That is a perfect weathering color. I am a fan. I am a massive fan. Alright, so what I want to do here, well, I know the color combo, but I don't want to mess this one up. But what I'm going to do is, because I'm only going to start with these first, let me start with these and then I can always make more down the road. Set him off to the side, and then we'll add in some thinner. Set that back over me. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. That is going to be gorgeous. Okay, I got to do one thing here real quick, and then we will... Oh, let me load up first. Go ahead and load my airbrush up. Yeah, don't spill on me, please. Too valuable. Had to open up my window, make sure I had proper ventilation in here. There, okay, let me reposition camera, and I'll be right back and we'll get started. Alrighty, folks. Alright, so I went ahead and did the pieces right here. I just went in and gave them the same coat, barely any, just to really kind of give it that greasy, worn down metal look, and it came out beautifully. I am really impressed, so that's going to come out nicely. I went ahead and did both of them, so give me just a minute here. I've got to clean up. I did also here I got these taken care of. I see a few spots I'm gonna go in and touch on both sides, which is, again, small stuff, but I'm not like too worried. But yeah, once I go in, that way I can do the weathering later. So that's when I can really touch them up. And like, just hiding up some blemishes. There we go. Okay, there we go. Perfect. We're going to let these dry. So, yep, give me just a few minutes here. I'm going to go ahead and get the other setup ready, and we'll get the colors put together, and we'll get it going from there. Excellente. Tell me what you think, y'all. It's a beautiful copper color that I was looking for. It came out just the right amount of dark. Sometimes you can notice it, sometimes you can't, but you know what? It came out beautifully. I'm going to use a little bit more of that. I'm going to hit some other little spots to just kind of make it poof, if you know what I mean. Let me do that. Let me get this first back in. That way it's drying. I'm going to actually do it on like pieces like this. Our little hammer, I'm going to add in just a... not a lot. I just want to coat it just to kind of highlight some little tiny areas to give it a little zing. Oh yeah, look at that. Bullseye. That just came from silver to that. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Just get that in there somehow. Let me hit the body here, because it's drying up nicely. Just kind of giving it a quick, like, bare run over. Not really aiming for anything, just kind of getting some color on there. There we go. Just wanted to kind of pop. Now this one I would have liked a little darker, but you know what? That's okay. Not that one. There we go. And then that way it's just kind of sitting there now. Okay, so that's pretty much it for right now. Let me rearrange the camera here, and we'll reconvene and show what we got. Okay, so welcome back. We went ahead and we did the other part of the main body here. That came out to a beautiful, beautiful color. I know it's probably hard to see in the light, but we got that taken care of. Those are drying. We also went ahead and did our, as you can see here, our cylinder. I also went through and added just a bit of detail to the main rail guards up from the top. I also did the trigger, front sight, and the hammer in just a little bit of that copper color that we chose as well. So, and it really just brings it out. Now, that's the thing, is everyone thinks it's going to be where the last little bit of weathering was. Not true. I'm actually going to go back through and create a darker color that's going to totally bring out some effects, but that'll be after I pull the gun apart, pull all the tape off, and I'm able to blend it in all together, make it look really, really nice. Tomorrow, what I'm probably going to be looking at doing here within a day or two, probably by tomorrow, because tomorrow's my last day off for the week, until Friday. Anyway. So what you're going to be seeing here is I've got this part. I've got the main handle pretty much taped off except for the fake cloth here. I also have this part taped off as well. What I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be using the gel stain for American Walnut. This American Walnut gel stain, and I'm going to do a gel stain across both of these sides. So it'll be the handle like normal, and then it'll be the trigger guard as well. I'm going to add it as a wooden piece, hint, hint, wink, wink. And that's what we're going to try. And we're going to see how it comes out. I think with the color coordination I've got right now, it's going to look really good. It's going to actually make it pop and make it just go to a new level. And if that's something that actually works, we're probably going to be doing that in the future, because I really like it. But yeah, so with that, I'm just going to go ahead and end the video here. I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank you all for being here and enjoying this painting. Hopefully you're learning to do it on your own as well. And don't forget always, make sure if you like the video, give it that thumbs up. If you would not mind, go ahead and subscribe to us. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, all that fun jazz. You know, like every other YouTuber in the damn world. But yeah, make sure you show your support. If you have any ideas for any other Nerf guns that you want me to do, please let me know. If you would like to do a customized piece for yourself or for a family member, for a gift for, hey, holidays are coming up and everything, let us know online. Shoot us a comment, and I will try to reach out to you via email. But yeah, other than that, I want to thank you all for joining, and you have yourselves a great night.